Okay, today's project is this really old garage door. It sounds awful. Ew. Okay, sweetheart, shut it so they can hear what it sounds like when it shuts. Okay, so you are going to replace, what are these?
Hi, love.
Hi, sweetheart. How you doing?
I've been on Amazon.
I see you have, and those are little roller things you're going to replace.
Replacement rollers.
Okay, so you're going to show us how to do those, how you do those today.
Yeah, what we're going to do. And there's other ways to do this, but this is the way we're going to do it today.
Okay.
And take these out. I should have found my grease. Put the new ones in, and then
You got to re-grease it?
Hmm?
You got to re-grease it? Those are old.
And you can see the bearings are.
Okay, that's why it looks scary,
Not
like
great.
it's going to drop on me. Oh, wow.
So.
Okay.
Roll.
Okay, see how we
All
go.
right, while you were gone, I went and got my white lithium grease. So what I'm going to do is just squirt a little in there, and then I'm going to put a little on the hinge itself, where the door hinges here,
Okay.
just to, and we're going to do this on all of them. So I understand you may be having a battery issue.
I think I am.
So this will,
we'll see.
where this slides in there, make it slide easier. We don't do anything with these are sealed. So once I do that, then I stick it back in.
Okay, sweetheart. Don't know how long we're gonna get.
All right.
Okay, so
So,
now let's show this.
Put the roller in after I greased it. Started my screws. And we're gonna do that
All the way down.
1, 2, 3, 4 more times.
Both sides.
Well, 2 more times on here and 4 on there. The bottom one is the one that the cable attaches to, back in here. You can see this cable goes down,
okay.
which is attached to the spring. We'll do those with the door up, and we will crank on this to release the spring pressure. Some people bend the channel. I did that on our other house. I don't think I'm going to do it here.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, and hopefully we'll get back with a battery that works. All right, we'll see how long my battery lasts, but I wanted to have you show them how well you're greasing that with your little spray stuff.
Well, when the door goes up and down, these hinges move like this.
Okay.
And so if they're not free on this part here, they'll squeak and stuff. So I'm doing that. Plus, because this one gets a roller in it, I'm just shooting some grease in there, and I pull that in and out a few times. This white lithium will dry and leave a film.
Okay, so it's called White Blast or White Lithium is the one. But
White lithium is what it is.
Okay, so there's several different brands, but this is the one that happens to be in the garage.
Yeah. Blaster is a brand, but lithium is what kind of grease it is. And these hinges do have pop written on them.
Oh, did you do one backwards?
I did do one backwards earlier. Because it was dark and I couldn't see, which is why Christy now has a flashlight.
Okay, so.
Try to. No, but I do maintain that if a job's worth doing, it's worth doing over.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of hard for me to see the button away. Okay, now 4 back in.
So we've now got 4 new rollers on this side, 4 on the other. I'll get out of your way. You can go look at that bottom roller down there.
Okay, and you're greasing these center ones too.
These here are the pivots. I've been greasing these as well.
Okay.
So like this one, I did.
Yeah, that one's got the white on it.
That one there I haven't.
Okay, and I can't.
And so trade me places.
Okay, that works. I get in here with the flashlight and see. Okay, so you just
that bottom roller.
Yeah.
Shine it down on the very bottom.
Okay. Ooh, that's
the non-roller that's there.
Yeah. It's nasty, dirty, yucky, gross. Okay,
Yeah.
there's no little
So
roller thing.
Turn it around. Turn it around. You're trading places. All right. So see this one here.
Okay, it's really cranky.
Hear how that's all squeaky and stuff.
Right.
So we're just gonna do a little bit of this on the outsides, a little bit on the insides.
Okay. And that just.
And then once I freed it up,
oh yeah.
It should
helps it.
get freed up pretty good, and that will also help it be quieter. Okay. And then we just wipe that up so nobody falls.
All right. That should be me. Oops, sorry.
So I've got.
So you're gonna just do all of those.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more of those to do. But we can go ahead and put the door up, and then we're going to do the ones with the cables on them.
Okay, I'm going to go do the door.
Probably stop filming for a minute.
Okay. Now it's filling it. Keep putting me out. Okay, so you've loosened it.
So I turned this torsion spring by hand and put a pipe wrench on it just to hold it.
Okay, and that loosened that enough for you to
so
get that.
there's no tension on this cable, so I can unbolt this guy.
Okay.
And the other side. We'll do them both.
Do them both, all right. So it's just the same thing where you're taking the plate off.
Yeah.
With the bolts. If you can find the bolts on the dirty old thing. And that has the cable up there too.
Well.
All right.
It's not great.
Is it just not going to slide out like the other one?
No.
Okay, there's it.
I can't get to the bottom bolt. All right.
Okay, you're gonna
Save
work
your
it.
battery. I gotta think.
Okay. Okay, so you look like it's gonna drop on your head.
Yeah, so I probably did something not smart, but
oh my.
I just undid the whole rail.
Well, this is not smart, love. Wasn't there something else you could have done?
I don't know.
Okay.
That'll work.
All right, so now you're gonna rebolt it.
Yeah, so I just took this whole bracket off. It was.
There's no little rubber, the little wheel thing on that.
Yeah, that one's.
It's completely gone.
That one's not in good shape. So this was just on here like this.
Okay. I'm afraid to stand under the door. Okay, so you're just gonna bolt everything back
Now I'll
together.
just put this back up.
Okay. And then you'll do the same on the other side.
And I'll do the same on the other side.
And then you'll tighten the cable back up.
Yeah, I will release the tension that.
Release the tension. Okay.
Yeah, I've unwound it a little bit.
You don't want it tight. I had it wrong. I had it opposite. Of course, we bought a cabin that's old. So it has lots of stuffs.
And this door and the opener should probably both be replaced. But right now, I've got a whole bunch of other things
Yeah, I'd like my blinds and such up.
that are a higher priority. And like I mentioned earlier, some people will bend this. I was
Yeah,
trying not to,
but then-
especially given how old this thing is.
Well, yeah, and then getting it back in its normal shape doesn't happen.
So I figured if I unbolted this, it would move enough out of the way, and it did.
Okay.
So,
So you just repeat on the other side.
yeah, and I'll just tighten this up, line all these guys up.
Okay, and finish light lithium on the rest of the little joint things.
On the hinges.
Hinges. Okay, and then we will be back to show how it works because my battery is having issues today. Okay, he's finished. We're gonna see if it sounds better and works better, or if it gets stuck. And that sounds better so far. Okay, that's how you change the rollers on a really old garage door.